What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. As you can tell, we're not in the driveway back at home, we're actually in England.
Yeah, that's right. We'd just finished up last weekend's video, just about to start this weekend's video, and we got a phone call which meant we pretty much had to pack up everything, jump in the car and make the 400-mile journey down to Peterborough. So we've been down here for the whole week so far. We're about to head back up
Just for a couple of days.
Just for a couple of days,
Get
repack,
some more clothes.
And then we're coming back down. So content's going to be a bit different for the next week or so.
It's not going to be as what would you call it, high end.
Is your content ever high end?
Well, yeah. Every video is high end, obviously.
Okay.
We're the best YouTubers ever.
We try. We do try.
But yeah, there's not as much content for us to do down here, but
no,
we still want to get a video out for you guys every week.
Yeah.
It's got to be tricky.
Yeah. So
but we'll try.
What we're going to do is we need to have a quick look at the Audi just to make sure it's okay, because we literally jumped in the car.
It was 5 o'clock in the morning. Mum,
yeah.
Mum walked into my room and woke me up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
And said, let's go.
Yeah. I packed the suitcase quickly and we were gone.
Yeah. So we're going to have a quick look over the Audi before we make the journey back, because we're going back up, repacking, and then a couple of days later coming straight back down, and we're going to be spending the next few weeks down here. So we're going to have a quick look over the Audi, make sure our lights are working, make sure our levels are good, get a quick wash because it's filthy. We'll pull it.
Dead bugs all over the front of it.
We'll pull it some of Grandad's jet washer. We'll see if that still works. It's not been out for a while, so we'll pull that out. We'll have a wee look at that, see if we can get that working, and see if we can find some washing wax and a sponge.
Yeah.
Right guys, so like we said, this is going to be a bit of a shorter video. We haven't really been able to plan much content for this weekend, but we have got some good stuff lined up for next week and the following week. Even though we are coming back to England, the next two videos will come from here, but they will be quite good. We've got a Mazda MX-5 for one of the videos, and we've got something else coming as well. We might, looking at the oil when I was checking the levels on the Audi, we might need to do a wee quick oil change when we run up the road. But yeah, for the car stuff over the next couple of weeks, that's going to be that. The Audi S5 obviously is up in Scotland, so it's going to be a couple of weeks before we get back onto that. But yeah, the whole reason we're doing in England is we finished up last week's video early, decided to have a nice wee day out, and when we were out there we got a phone call saying that Charlie's granddad, my father-in-law, my wife's dad, and probably the biggest home built fan.
Yeah.
He's
Always
the OG.
watching the videos.
He's the OG. Sits at 8 o'clock every week waiting for his video.
He loves them.
He came down no well. So we quickly packed the bags, we jumped in the car. We haven't even packed properly, we just threw stuff in the car and ran straight down to England.
You were lacking socks, eh?
I'm lacking socks and pads, yeah, I'm washing the same ones over and over again. So, but yeah, we'd do anything for Diggy. We'd always jump in the car and boost straight down here, whatever it took. So, yeah, we've been down here for the last week. Now,
That was on Saturday, wasn't it?
that was on
Or was it Sunday?
Sunday, and we came down here first thing in the Monday morning. So we've been down here all week. Now, obviously the car content side of it's finished now. A lot of your subscribers are family and friends, so we wanted to do a little bit of a dedication to Diggy, because he's
always been a massive supporter.
always been a massive supporter of the channel, massive supporter as a family.
And he's always helped us out loads.
Always helped us out, and unfortunately yesterday, the 19th, Diggy passed away. With a lot of your subscribers being family and friends, everybody's been notified, but we wanted to have a little bit of a last video for Diggy.
Like a dedicated video just for him.
Some of his, we're going to put in some of his crazy moments. Like I said, a lot of you guys are family and friends, so you will love this, but if you're not family and friends, you're more than welcome to stay and watch the rest of the video. Diggy got on with everybody, didn't he?
Yeah, loads of friends, hundreds.
We've put out Facebook messages and there's just hundreds and hundreds of replies. He was loved by loads of people. He knew everybody. Ex-policeman. He's been through everything. He's done everything. He just knew everybody. So there was hundreds and hundreds of messages out there for him. I'm going to miss him loads. Diggy's helped me through years. Train's coming. Diggy never ever complained about that. No. He got used to it.
But yeah, he's always been a massive support. Even when we, 12 years ago, something like that, when we first moved down to England, he was a massive help. He let us.
We stayed with him.
Stayed with him for how long?
For a year.
Yeah.
Till we got our house sorted out. And then we lived in here for 12 years before moving back.
That was like the first garage I ever worked in, the one in his garden where you built the cater room.
And that's where we built the cater room, in Diggy's garage.
We should have filmed that. You guys would...
Oh, that's a quiet one. This one's not so bad.
Everybody would have loved the cater room build.
Absolutely. I wish we'd started the YouTube channel back then.
I was too though.
You were too. I didn't even think about it. But yeah, me and your granddad used to buy and sell a couple of wee cars out of there as well.
And we've had loads of good times. He's always hosting barbecues and he's always got family and friends over. Yeah.
Always up for a laugh. Always laughing.
He was always laughing.
Even how unwell he was.
He wasn't always very well. He was always in pain.
Always in pain.
But he always had a smile on his face.
And he would always help anybody.
Yeah.
So, yeah, the next couple of minutes are dedicated to Diggy, and like I said, you're more than welcome to watch. But that's it. Rest in peace, Diggy. You'll be missed by many, many people.
Hello? 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 Is there anybody there? Is there anybody there? Hello? Hello?